Now go to your application, Life Seconds. Keep order. Yeah, life cycle is there, right? Yeah, open that one now. Let's create a life cycle. Let's first design it. Okay, how generally you will order while ordering any product from any website, it will ask for the address details, right? What is the like, what is the shipping address, and what is the current address, right? Yes, delivery address, right. You click on the stage if the first one we have disabled. Okay, first create. We have set that create as never OKU, so you need not bother. For that create. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. But create you. We have set that one is never when rule. We have set it as never. So that stage will not execute. Okay, that stage will not execute, so we'll try to customize our application from second stage. From here, you give the stage name as a meaningful name, collect delivery info or collect address info. Collect, yeah, collect. Delivery in for address info or collecting for whatever some meaning. Okay, now click on the process, not process. You click on the step. Click on the step step, yeah. Click on the collect information. Okay, now here you'll write like a collector delivery address, like some other meaningful name. Like, choose delivery address or provide delivery address. Anything will be fine here in this. In this step we are collecting some address from the user. Okay, yeah, enter a delivery info, something. Like that. Okay, after that, after choosing a delivery address, what we will do? We will choose some. We will show some user some products we will show, like some cake products will show, or like some other products will show right to place an order. So you will write like you click on the next step. No, not on the stage, in the step. Yeah, click on the step again. Collect info. Choose a like a collector like what you can give. Collect the food information, or some collect cake info or choose you can get. There is an error showing. Okay, after choosing a cake, what we will do, it will be. It will be going for approval reject for the shop, right, like whatever you are. See in Swiggy what you will do whenever you place an order. It will go for a restaurant acceptance. Right, you will get right. The restaurant has accepted your order, so on the next stage, you give approved reject. The next stage is no. Next stage. Okay, yeah, you give the name of the stage is approved. Reject. Okay. Yeah, hyphen is actually not required, but it's okay. Yeah, you click on the step and add as approval. Approval reject. Okay, approve, reject, like approve order. You can give approve order. See below, whenever you have given approve, reject. Below it was created approval rejection alternative stage. You see, OK, and on the right side you can customize the approval see. On the right side. You see, it's a single level approval. On the extreme right, you have right. See, there are some approval configurations there. You can select a single level approval cascading. Cascading, in the sense after one approval it will go for another manager's approval. OK, if suppose you are raising any claim. OK, if you are raising any claim amount. If the claim amount is greater than 10,000, OK, it will go for senior manager approval. Let's assume, OK, that approval configurations you can do from here. If you select cascading, can you select cascading there cascading? See, there is a reporting structure, like a reporting structure in the sense your managers, it will go, you understand. OK, or else if you give authority matrix based on the conditions, it will choose OK to whom approval it has to go. You understand what we are trying to do here. The cascading approval is a multi-level approval. OK, there might be some conditions in an organization, right? Suppose you are. Suppose, if you are claiming some amount, OK, if suppose the amount is greater than, or if suppose the amount is greater than 10,000, then it has to go for two-level approval, like the second manager also has to approve. Or else if suppose the amount is less than, 10,000, then it has to go for single approval. In such scenarios, you will use this functionality. OK, whether it's a single-level approval or cascading approval, but in our condition, it's a single-level approval only. OK, after approval is done, you add a third stage. OK, third stage like payment. Payment info. You had a collector payment information like here, we'll collect some card number. Those kind of stuff we'll collect here. Collect payment info. OK, payment type and card details. Yeah, you can give anything. OK, you give a short name. Yeah, payment type is fine. After that what we will do. Once the payment is also done, we'll send some email. OK, you can click on the step add step. No, there only can you under payment in phone here. You click on that more yeah. Now you search for send email. You can search, yeah, email. Yes, send email. You can add. You have got it. No, you can click on selected send email. You are selected, select. OK, now what you have done here, after some payment is done, you will send some email notification to the user. OK. OK, this is a very small level application. This is not a real-time application just to use all the functionalities which we have discussed, like just to use the flows, flow actions, activities, data transforms properties. OK, we will use all those rules to build up this application, OK. OK, now you understand the high-level flow of our application, right? What is the flow like? First you'll collect some delivery address. After that you will choose some cake. After that you will go for approval rejection. After that we'll collect some payment. We'll send some email.